Al, how you feel about the election last night, Al?
I thought I was buzzing you. I thought
Alan.
I completely missed him.
No, Al, don't walk away. Really? Did it work out for you last night?
Yeah, because I looked around. I said, oh my God, are you just going and saying that?
Come on, Al, tell something. Alan, wait a minute. Come on, say what you said to me a second ago. Come on. What's going on here? The USS now? What was that all about? Come on, I'll speak to the camera.
What, the USSA?
Uh-huh.
United Socialist States of America?
We're not socialists. We're a democracy.
Not yet. Give it 4 more years.
This is a democratic society.
I already texted my kid that I'm headed upstate and I'm getting all my weapons.
What? For what? Alan's got going down like that? You really think it's going to take over?
You want to bet?
Alan, it's not that serious.
I would
Come
lay
on.
money on it.
No, Alan, it was a good election last night. It was fair. You know, it was even.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Win.
You thought Romney's going to win?
Because you see his points up.
Oh, yeah, it was kind of scary for a second there, right? Right. But I don't know, Al. I think it's cold. I'm shaking. No worries, Al. 4 more years, you'll have another chance. You know what I mean? You guys get back in there.
So what?
I don't know.
Then we'll be down to 2 so far that it ain't going to matter.
I don't know, Al. You know, you got Sarah Palin. You got a lot of potential on the Republican side of things. Come on, Al. Don't view that way.
I'm telling you, man. We're done.
And we're not done, Al.
As a nation, I'm glad you voted for your kids and not your country.
No, Al. It's a day type of thing I was thinking of. You know what I mean? What's best for the country today? You know? No worries, Al. We'll get them.